Learn about the formulas of perimeter and area. Rectangle. 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 Area of rectangle. L into B. Perimeter rectangle. 2 into L plus B. Square. SQUARE. Area of square equals L into L or side into side. Perimeter of square equals 4 into L. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. PARELLELOGRAM. Parallelogram. Area of parallelogram equals B into H. A perimeter of parallelogram 2 into B plus H. Triangle. 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 Area of triangle equals half into B into H. Perimeter of triangle equals AB plus BC plus CA. Circle. 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 Area of circle pi r square. Perimeter of circle pi d r